How to find WhatsApp QR code. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find WhatsApp QR code. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device and go straight to the Settings tab by tapping on the gear-like icon on the bottom right of your screen. Once you are in the Settings page, beside your name, you will see the QR icon. Tap on that and in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see your QR code. You can also tap on the Share button on the top right of your screen and share your QR code with anyone in any of the social media platform. And you can tap on the Save Image option and save your QR code to your camera roll. So, this is how you can find WhatsApp QR code. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.